Tired of drinking lumpy protein shakes or hauling a giant countertop machine around? I bought and tested 5 top models to help you find the best portable blender for your daily routine. Here is exactly how they handle frozen fruit and ice.
Product number 1. Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender plus Twist and Go. Unboxing this sleek machine, the rubberized handle and cordless design felt incredibly solid and balanced in my hand. I charged the battery completely, packed the container with frozen strawberries, and took it straight to the park for a workout session. During my test, the smart automatic programs pulsed entirely on their own, crushing down chunks of ice easily without stalling out. My favorite detail is that the blending cup detaches entirely from the motor base with a quick twist, making it half the weight to carry around in a gym bag. The secure sip lid stayed perfectly leak-proof, even when rolling around the back seat of my car. If you want true cordless freedom paired with real ice-crushing power while traveling, this model is absolutely worth every single penny. If you prefer maximum raw power over a rechargeable battery, this next corded device provides an intensely stronger blending alternative.
Product number 2. Nutribullet Pro Plus Personal Blender 1200 watts. Lifting this hefty base onto my counter, the brushed metallic finish felt premium and seriously durable. With 1200 watts of motor muscle under the hood, this thing absolutely pulverized tough kale stems and frozen bananas into silky liquids within seconds. When I tested out the dedicated pulse button, I noticed it gave me perfect control over chopping chunky salsas without turning them into complete mush. The heavy-duty extraction blades spin so fast that they never get jammed or leave unblended chunks stuck at the bottom of your cup. The thick travel lids seal tightly, meaning you can toss your morning shake directly into your work bag without stressing over sticky spills. For anyone who drinks thick green smoothies daily and demands professional performance without a giant appliance, this is the best option. But if you want something smaller with 0 buttons to press, this next compact machine works.
Product number 3. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Lifting this slender base out of the box, I noticed how incredibly light and narrow it was, fitting easily into the tightest corner of my kitchen counter. During my testing, I realized there were no complicated settings here at all. You literally just push the cup down to blend your ingredients instantly. It handled my frozen berry smoothies with ease, and the 700-watt motor didn't hesitate even when chewing through tough ice cubes. The cups feel rugged, and the sip lids have a secure snap that makes them great for throwing into your cup holder on the morning drive to work. Cleanup is a breeze too, since you just rinse the blade under a faucet. If you want quick, single-serve convenience without paying for extra features you won't ever use, this is the one to buy. Next, let's look at another classic option that popularized the single-serve blending trend.
Product number 4. Nutribullet Personal Blender. Unboxing this iconic bullet-shaped gadget, the compact metallic housing felt super sturdy and looked clean on my counter. When I tested it out with my morning protein shakes, the simple push and twist mechanism worked flawlessly every single time. It blends soft fruits, yogurt, and powders into an incredibly smooth texture in under 20 seconds without leaving any annoying powder clumps behind. My favorite part is how easy the tall cup is to hold while running out the door to catch my train. Because the blades unscrew directly from the top, you can rinse them clean under warm water in seconds without any hassle. If you want an absolute staple for basic daily protein shakes and fruit blends that will last for years, this budget-friendly pick is perfect. Now, if you want a complete multi-cup kit that gives you massive value for an even lower price, stick around for our final choice.
Product number 5. Ganiza Blender for Smoothies. Unpacking this comprehensive bundle, I was amazed by how many travel cups and extra lids came packaged inside the box. Holding the main motor base, the non-slip suction pads on the bottom locked firmly onto my counter so it wouldn't slide around during heavy blending. When I tested it, the 900-watt turbocharged motor and upgraded crossblades created an absolute vortex that instantly sucked down frozen mango slices and thick ice. I really love that it includes multiple cup sizes, which lets me whip up a massive 24-ounce shake for myself or smaller drinks for family members. Everything is BPA-free, and the cups clean up beautifully inside the top rack of a dishwasher. If you want an incredibly versatile package that handles everything from icy drinks to grinding dry spices on a budget, this comprehensive multi-cup accessory kit is phenomenal for everyday routines.
All 5 of these options give you great performance and price compatibility for your daily shakes. Grab the cordless model for true travel freedom, or the high wattage units for thick smoothies. Check the links below to secure yours today.